Campgrounds. I'm Donna Bordeaux with campgroundaccounting.com. I've got a little way to help you make a little extra money and clean up at the same time right now. A couple things I've seen lately have to deal with cleaning out and selling your stuff that you're not using. We all need to purge things all the time. It used to be we called it spring cleaning. Now we need to do it every season. We just accumulate a lot of stuff. So I know that you've got a pile of stuff somewhere in your campground, because I've been to a lot of campgrounds, and one of my hobbies is to go find that pile of stuff that you got sitting around out back. I like to see how clean and tidy it is. So here's your chance to make me happy and clean that all up. I want you to take a look around. What are you not using? What are you underutilizing? What's taking up a lot of space? What are you thinking, like maybe one day I'll be able to use it? It is a wonderful time to sell things. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. The reason? Because things are hard to find right now. People were having a tough time buying things during the COVID challenge because all of the manufacturing was shut down. I'll give you a little example. I had a printer in my office that I rarely ever used. I bought it to print large format. I didn't think it was really going to be worth much of anything. I was actually considering giving it away, and I thought, well, I'll list it. I listed it out on Facebook Marketplace, and I sold it for a nice chunk of change that was a surprise. And it turns out that you can't buy a large format printer right now. They're all out of stock everywhere. So little did I know that my little piece of junk that I thought I was going to have to give away was actually a golden opportunity for someone else. So go through what you've got laying around in your campground, in your storage piles, and see what you can sell. Clean it up, make space for good stuff, give someone else the opportunity to use that, and pocket the money while you're at it, maybe to buy you some lunch. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. I'm Donna Bordeaux with campgroundaccounting.com.